The male snowy owl is finding plenty of lemmings to bring to his mate. But they're not just for her. She's brooding their rather scruffy young. She tears the meal into beak-sized chunks that the owlets can swallow whole. Each of them can eat 2 lemmings a day. The male has no time to rest. Over the course of the summer, he will have to provide his family with over 1,000 lemmings. The Arctic summer may be short, but the days are long. Everyone must take advantage of the 24-hour daylight. None more so than the owl's tiny neighbours, the Lapland buntings. Both parents feed their growing family continuously. A mere 10 days after hatching, and they will all have left in record time. The last needs a little encouragement. The owlets have also left their nest and turned into football-sized balls of fluff, but they still depend on their parents for food and protection. A skewer. Their mother's talons are her best weapons. The owlets are dangerously exposed out on the tundra, so they must hurry to change from balls of fluff to fully feathered adults. And to do that, they need more lemmings. A lemming doesn't last long these days.